You may feel, at times, that someone else's life is easier, that their blessings are bigger, their success brighter, their peace deeper. And when you feel that way, something stirs inside, a quiet discomfort, a whisper that says, "Why not me?" That's jealousy, and it's a sickness. It doesn't scream, it sneaks in, quietly, slowly, until it colors how you see others, how you speak of them, even how you pray for them. The Quran speaks directly to this. In Surah An-Nisa, Allah says, "But people are prone to selfish greed." That verse isn't just about hoarding wealth. It's about wanting more than your share, in any form, including the blessings given to others. Now, pause here. Ask yourself, when was the last time you compared your life to someone else's? Not out of admiration, not with gratitude for what they have, but with a sense of lack, of loss. Jealousy does not come from faith. It comes from forgetfulness. Forgetfulness that Allah knows every hardship you carry. Forgetfulness that Allah sees every effort you make. Forgetfulness that Allah gives according to His wisdom, not ours. In another verse, Allah tells us, "Do not crave what Allah has given some of you over others." This is not a command to ignore inequality. It's a call to trust in divine balance. Men and women are rewarded according to their deeds, not according to what they own, or what others have, or what we think is fair, because Allah has perfect knowledge of all things. So why do we still feel the sting? Because we are human, weak, forgetful, easily distracted by what shines on the surface. Here's something important. Jealousy doesn't just harm your heart. It harms your relationship with others, with the world, with Allah. It makes you blind to your own blessings. It clouds your ability to be content. It weakens your trust in the one who gives and takes. But there is a cure. Gratitude, contentment, belief in divine wisdom. When you start to feel that familiar pang, stop, breathe, remind yourself, Allah gave me what I need. Allah chose this path for me. Allah sees my struggles and rewards my patience. And if you truly believe that, then how can you envy someone else's test? Think of it like this. Imagine two travelers, each given different provisions for the same journey. One has water, the other has shade. One has food, the other has rest. Would either complain about what the other has? No, because each needs what they were given to reach the destination. Your life is no different. What looks easy may actually be heavy. What looks peaceful may be hiding pain. What looks abundant may be lacking in barakah. So why waste energy longing for what you don't have? Instead, ask Allah for His bounties, freely, humbly, confidently. Because He is the most generous. Because He is the most knowing. Because He gives best when we expect it least. Jealousy tries to convince you that someone else's blessing takes away from yours. But remember this, Allah's mercy is vast. His provision is endless. His timing is perfect. You will get what is yours. No one can take it from you, and nothing can delay it, except perhaps your own impatience. So let go of comparison. Let go of envy. Let go of the need to measure your worth against others. Because when you do, you free your heart to worship, to thank, to grow. And in that freedom, you find peace. Remember this, every breath you take is a gift. Every step you make is seen. Every struggle you endure is recorded. And Allah, in His infinite wisdom, has already written for you what no eye has seen and no heart has imagined. So hold on to that. Hold on to Him. And know that whatever happens, it is from the one who loves you more than you can ever know. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are exactly where you need to be. And with that belief, jealousy loses its grip.